Hey, Mrs. Cooks, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're currently in a trade right now with BTC USD in a long position and XAU USD in a gold position right now. We are in profit on both. Continuing up here, we will see how this goes. You just got off work. That's awesome. Well, hopefully that's the what's today? Hopefully that's the weekend for you. You can take some time off, relax, chill, get some trades in, whatever it is you're gonna do, right? Enjoy those that family of yours. All right, for everybody else who is brand new, welcome to my live. I'm here every single day. Please join my Discord link in the bio to get access to a ton of information and knowledge, and it's a great place to hang out and learn without having to pay anything. That's awesome here too. It's always good to get a good day of trading in, right? Like BTC's been dropping all day. It's crazy. It's down around 40,000. I really didn't think it would ever come back down here, honestly, but it has. And so right now we're trying to catch a longer trend on this reversal here with the amount that it's dropped. Definitely looking to catch a short, long position on it. And again, we'll see how that goes. Guys have been talking about this thing coming all the way back down to, what they say today? Back to 18 or something like that, something crazy. And I'm like, it's never going to happen. This thing's shooting up for 100,000 this year. But you never know what the market's going to do, right? I say that every single day. So what do we always do? We protect our capital at all costs, right? We always put that stop loss, that take profit in place when we risk 1% of our accounts so that we can trade over a long period of time. And that's exactly what we are doing here. Like I said, we are trading Bitcoin right now. We're trading gold. Gold is down a little bit, but we have Bitcoin on the way up. Again, we'll see how that trade goes. When we do 50 to 100 points, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So a lot of mistakes that I see like a lot of guys make that are brand new is they always trade way too much of their accounts and they end up blowing it off of 1 or 2 trades. You don't want to do that. You always want to use that stop loss and take profit. And again, use a smaller percentage, right? So we use 1% of our account when we're trading, and you grow it over time. You're not going to turn $1,000 into $100,000. It's not going to happen. You might get lucky on 1 or 2 trades. It's possible, but try doing that consistently. You're just going to end up losing. The other is they end up lacking consistency because they're not sticking with a regular trade setup all the time. They're jumping from different indicators and different platforms and whatnot, trying to find that extra edge, which I totally get. I mean, that's why some people are here, right? But again, it just takes time to learn how to do this stuff, and then they just trade out of emotions, and that's typical of new traders as well. That takes time to harness. Catching the wild beast, as I call it, and taming him is very, very hard to do, and it just takes time. And so we work on that every single day. And again, using that stop loss and take profit really makes a big difference when it comes to trading, because it takes all that emotion out of it. You already know what your stop loss is and your take profit is, and there we go. Congratulations, anybody that was trading. We just made $50 off BTC USD. It's just that simple. And say I wasn't even watching that trade. It just happens because I had a stop loss and take profit already set for myself. So I'm able to talk to you guys. I'm able to check other trades. I'm able to do other things. Again, we're just using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars up here telling me that we were reversing and moving up. And I just moved in on that trade, and that's all it was. And that was just a couple of minutes, if that. It was pretty quick. Again, I saw that Bitcoin had been dropping a whole lot. And I just caught that reversal again with that PSAR here on the bottom, saying that we were reversing the direction. RSI was above 50. And then the range bars, of course, only move off points, not time. And that showed that we were moving up as well. Diaz says trading is like being at the casino. No, that's not true. If you're at the casino, once you put that money in the machine, it's pretty much gone, right? So that's exactly all you're really doing. You're just putting there, just hoping. You have no control at all at the casino. You put the money in and hit the button. There's really nothing else other than that. When you are trading, you are looking at information that is telling you which way the trends are going, and you have that option to make changes. Right? You can change how much you're willing to lose, how much you're willing to win, and make adjustments how much percentage you're willing to lose as well. Completely different than the casino. You can't really say that at all. And if you are doing it that way, it's because you're just throwing darts at it, and that's really it. There's a lot more to trading than just hitting that button, right? You can hit the button at the casino and just sit there and watch it spin. That's not the same thing. If you do watch my live, you may learn more than that. Again, it's all about using, like I said, the RSI, the PSAR, using your stop loss and take profits. Again, using the range bars up here. That information is valuable in order to make an informed decision on what the market is doing. Definitely not the same thing as the casino. Again, welcome to everybody who's just joining. I'm here every single day. Please feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, I'm here all the time, just doing my trades, showing you guys how to use your risk management, how to trade safely and not just blow your money. And I'm not here to invest for you. I'm not here to take your money. I'm not doing any bots or anything like that. I'm just showing you a safe way to trade by using a smaller percent of your account, by using the RSI, the PSR, and the range bars here. So that's all it really is to it. It's not super complicated. And I only trade on the 5-minute time frame. And a big part of it, again, is using the range bars. Again, they only move off points and not time. Trade down now. BTC USD. All this stuff is in the link in my bio as well, so you can check that out as well. And using these range bars, they are a 61% win rate as well. So again, it takes time, right? It's not an 80, it's not 90%. Guys that say that, I haven't seen it yet to where they're consistently making that kind of money on a regular basis for wins. It'd be great to see, but I haven't seen it yet. So mine's 61%. So as long as I'm making more than half, I'm always gaining over time. And it's just that longer amount of period and consistent trading. That's what ends up making you gains. So now we're in profit here with gold at the moment. And we're moving up again. We have the RSI up above 50, right? It's heading up. We have the PSAR on the bottom, saying that we're moving up. And then we have the range bars as well in gold, right? It was red, now it's green, so it's moving up as well. So that's all it really takes. Again, it's not super complicated. You don't have all these indicators all over the screen that you can barely read. We keep it simple, right? And that's exactly what we're doing here. I always like the phrase, keep it simple, stupid, right? Set it and forget it is the other one, because I can set my stop loss, set my take profit, and then I can walk away and go look at other trades and be focused on those, because I already know that my trade is already doing what it's going to do, and I don't even have to move anything. It's already taking care of it on its own. All right, who we got here? Blove, Mark Griffin, what is going on? Again, Diaz, welcome to my lives, you guys. Blove004, welcome to my live. If you guys could please hit that like button, it does help out my algorithm. I would appreciate that as well. I am trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker if you guys are curious. Has no trading fees and low spreads. And we have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. This is derivative trading. It's not futures or options, just derivative trading. Just so you guys do know that. Hey, Nate Morrison, what's going on? Melvin25, welcome to my live. And then again, we're just using the range bars here. These are free to use as well. You can get them in the link in my bio for free. Or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net. You can get them there as well. We're currently in a trade with XAU USD right now in a long position here. Again, we'll see how that plays out. Like I said, we always have that stop loss and take profit in place. We're just looking for a 50-point trade here, which is like 5 points. It's like a 5-point trade on gold. Everyone is different if it's gold or Bitcoin, Ethereum. all the ranges are different in points, but it's the same amount of range. And we do a 1-to-1 ratio, right? So it's like 50 points up, 50 points down. For gold, it's like 5 points up, 5 points down. That was just an audio signal that we just heard there as well with the range bar. So now again, we are in profit here with gold, up $7 again, just looking for a $50 trade. Again, welcome to everybody who is just joining to my live. I'm here every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, click and give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, I'm trying to grow my Discord. We're like 82 members now. Trying to get up to 100 this year. Again, just trying to have a safe place that people can come and talk about cryptos and stocks and learn how to trade, again, safely using that risk management. So again, we're trading with gold. We are in profit right now, and we set an audio signal from Bitcoin, BTC USD, saying to buy a long position. So we can go check out Bitcoin. And that is still, it's moving on up here. Again, we're above the 50. The PSA is on the bottom, so it's been moving up. And then Bitcoin up here on the range bar, so it just reversed. So that would have been a good catch in there as well. Again, if you guys have any questions, please hit me up. If you could, please give me a follow. We're sitting at 0 likes right now, which totally kills my algorithm. Hey, Tree Shadow, awesome. Thanks for the subscription. That's great. Good to see you for sure. As I said, I'm here every single day doing trades. I miss a day here or there just because life happens. But I try to be on here as much as possible daily, either in the morning or at nighttime. But I do try to come on. Again, if you have any questions, definitely join the Discord. Love to see you there as well. I said Discord is free. I'm not charging anything to be on it, just to have a place where people can come and talk about cryptos and stocks and learn some stuff as well. And I have a whole bunch of training videos on how to do all this stuff as well. So definitely come check that out. We are in profit right now with gold. Again, XAU USD. Just looking for a $50 trade. We just got out of a trade with BTC USD a few minutes ago and made profit in that. Let's see here. So yeah, right now, TF at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades today. We're up $30. Last 7 days, we're up $1,000. So you're going to have losses and you're going to have your gains. But again, it's a 61% win rate. So it says there's a little bit of back and forth, but as long as you're always winning, then you end up making profit. And that's exactly what we're doing here. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. So again, when it comes to the range bars, what we're looking for here is like the 30 point or the 70 point here on the range bars. If it's at 30, it means that we're oversold. If it's at 70, it means we're overbought. And so you're looking for those reversals. So right now we're up above 50. You have the PSAR on the bottom, which that means that we're moving up as well. And then the range bars, again, only move off points and not time. And those are all green right now and still moving up. So if we get caught in that trade with BTC USD, we would be in profit right now. But we are in a trade with gold. And as you can see, same thing. We're in this trade down here. We're beginning of the PSAR. We're riding it up and we're in profit right now. And so again, we'll see how that trade plays out. Because again, you never know what the market's going to do. A big candle can come in and wipe you out. But that's exactly why we put that stop loss and take profit in place to protect our accounts at all times. And again, we're only trading with 1% of our account. Hey, Kev, what's going on? Slito Aguilar. Sorry if I butchered your name. Welcome to my live. And thank you guys for the likes very much. I really do appreciate that as well. So we're at $15 here on gold and moving on up. We'll see if we can make that $50 trade at like 2032. Again, just looking on the 5-minute time frame here, looking for smaller moves, right? We're not at all in it all day long. Again, we can set that stop loss and take profit to protect our account at all times. Just in case the market goes against us, I'd rather take a small loss than burning my account. again, I've learned from a long time now of trading that it's all about protecting your capital at the end of the day, and just being consistent with your trading as well. It's kind of like going to the gym, right? You can't go to the gym one time and expect to get buff. It takes time and dedication at the gym to lean and cut yourself and get stronger. This is the same thing when we are trading, is just doing this consistently with a good strategy that works, and you will end up profiting. But again, it just takes time to follow this exactly like I've said to do, and you'll end up winning. But again, it just takes time. So like I said, we're in trade with gold right now, up above the 50. The PSAR is on the bottom, and we have the range bars again that we're moving on up. And we are in gold, as you can see, left corner. It's all green right now and moving on up. Again, just looking for a $50 trade, so we'll see how that plays out. All right. Let's see if we can catch any other trades right now. So we kind of already missed that really nice trade for Bitcoin, so we want to wait for that PSAR to change as well. Let's see, what about EUR USD? Can I trade Forex as well? We do have cryptos, we have stocks, Forex, and indices. Trade down now, BTC USD. So trade down now on BTC USD. So like I was just saying, see, so it's starting to pull back. So that's why we were waiting. Let's see, 5-minute EUR USD. Now we are trending up, had a little bit of a pullback and then heading back up again. So that looks like it's really trying to push past this 1.086 mark. Let's see if we put a line in here. What's this at? 1.089. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to put in a trade here above that position. Let's see, 0.24. And we want that at 0.089. 8912. All right. So we'll do a buy now just in case it gets back up to that point. And then we'll put our stop profit in place here. Oops, that's negative. There we go. And then we'll do our take profit, same thing. All right, there we go. So now we have our stop loss and take profit in place, and we'll just ride that out and see if that comes back up and hits our mark, and then continue up and make some profit. So again, we'll see how that goes. Again, welcome guys to my live. I'm here every single day making trades. Like, so we're in gold right now. We're in profit. Again, the PSAR is on the bottom and we're moving on up. If you have any questions, please ask me any questions you like. And as well, join the Discord link in our bio. So we have a bunch of information in there. We have like 82 members, growing to like 100 this year here in 2024. We'll see how that works out. Again, it's just a good place to come and learn all about everything that we're doing here, as well as talk about any kind of crypto, stocks, Forex. Like I said, friends and family members really usually don't like talking about this kind of stuff, so having somewhere you can go to discuss it, I think is really beneficial when it comes to your everyday trading. So not only to show your wins, but talk about your losses as well, maybe where you could improve. So we can do that, being able to be in a group. It's hard to do that when you're all by yourself. Euro refuses to come out of that range. Let's see. Let's go to... let's see. Yeah, last hour. Let's see, 16th. It went in like the 16th. Yes, 3 days it's been on this path. Went under, went over. Under, went over, went under. Yeah. Who knows when this is going to pop out. Let's see. So let's go farther out. 4 hour. Same thing. It's been in this range for since November. Holy moly. I gotta go even farther out. December. Holy, yeah, you're right. Week? It's been hitting that range for weeks. Wow. No, you're right. It's been here for, what was that, May? May. I mean, it came up for a while, but yeah, it keeps coming back here. So it could be a little, yeah, that's pretty crazy. I don't blame you. Let's see, month. Yeah, that's pretty crazy seeing that on the month. It's downtrending on the month. So my 5 minute, it could do absolutely anything. So we'll be able to play that out. Again, that's why I think I like the 5 minute time frames is you can make these smaller trades even though it's not really going anywhere. I can pop in and pop out, make a little bit of money on the side. Let's see. So we're in profits on gold right now, long position. Again, we'll see how that goes. My gosh, feeling tired right now. Let's see. Yeah, even gold, it's just kind of going up and down. Of course, it's about lunchtime, so like I said, I come here every single day, teach you guys how to trade while I'm live. Again, we use the stop losses, right? Take profit. We use the 1% of our account. We use the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here when we're trading. Just looking to make a quick 50 to 100 bucks. Oh man, pardon me. Must not have slept that well last night. Hey, Miss Cooks, what were you trading today? Hey, George Mankio, what's going on? Welcome to my live. So we're currently in a trade right now with gold, XAU USD, in a long position. We'll see how that plays out. Just looking for a $50 trade, which is, it's 50 points up and 50 points down, just a 1-to-1 ratio.
Trade down now. BTC USD. Trade down now on BTC.
So BTC USD just called for a down position. That is twice now that I've definitely heard that. So it looks like BTC USD is pushing back. 5-minute time frame is still showing that PSAR on top. So we'll see if we can catch a reversal. Maybe we'll end up continuing. This is a pullback, and we can ride it down. Yeah, I'm yawning a lot. Okay, time's at 12. I've been up since like 5 o'clock. All right. See, 1 minute time frame BTC USD that has come way up, but looks like it's rounding off. So it's actually may end up shorting. So really, a short position just might be the way to go. Let's see.
Trade down now.
I think I want to end up getting in a short position. Yeah, just because of what this is showing. And BTC up, back down. So that's pushing for a short as well. All right. Let's see, watching those range bars. All right. Yeah, we're going to go for a short position here, 0.5. All right, so I have that stop loss in place, that short position on BTC USD. See if we can get a little bit of a pullback here. So we'll set our stop loss. at, was it 212? $212.91. All right, there we go. So we have that stop loss in place for 50, and then we'll do the same thing for take profit. 0, 0, 1, 2. All right, so we'll set that in place, see how that plays out. Looks like we are already in profit on Bitcoin right now. So again, that's continuing down, and we'll see how that plays out for us. All right. What's going on here? Wow, why did that one just kick in? Oh, okay. So EUR USD, I did put a position in for that. For a long position, if it crossed 1.089, it is currently moving along now. And we'll see how that trade plays out. Again, we have that stop loss and take profit in place just in case. But I did see that moving up, so I put that ahead just in case the market decided to go a long position here. So now we're in 3 trades. We got gold, Bitcoin, and EUR USD, all with, oh, pardon me, a stop loss and take profit in place. So we'll see how those plays out. Hey, guidance, what's going on? He said, what gold XAU USD is the gold that we are trading right now. So that one at gold is, what's it, 2027 right now. So yeah, we're trading EUR USD, BTC USD, and XAU USD. So XAU, Alpha, X-ray, Alpha, Uniform, XAU, then USD, Uniform, Sierra, Delta. Capiche? All right. So we're in profit right now on gold and BTC, and BTC USD. So it's kind of jumping back and forth right now. We'll see how those play out. Like I said, I always put that stop loss and take profit in place because you never know what the market's going to do. And it's always better to protect your account in case the market goes the wrong way. Wow. Okay. Super sleepy. But I'm on my day off. I decided to have a mimosa. And I think it's making me sleepy. All right. Again, we're in profit right now on BTC USD and XAU USD. Again, just looking for $50 trades on these. Again, we're only using 1% of our account. We're up $27,000. Is my balance here. Again, I'm only using 1% of that, so I'm only doing 50 to 100 point trades every single trade. So I'm not burning my whole entire account. I'm not risking my whole entire portfolio. I'm just using a small percent. Again, I am trading on TradeXN is the name of the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. It's derivative trading. It's not options. It's not futures. It's derivative trading. They have cryptos, stocks, crypto stocks, forex, and indices on TradeXN. And then you can also use the range bars as well. These are in the link in my bio. They are free to use. They don't cost anything. Same thing, crypto stocks, forex, and indices. These only move off of points, not time. It's not like the range bars here that are the time-based candles that only move like these every 5 minutes. The range bars don't do that. They only move when the market is moving. If you want to check all that stuff out, it is in the link in my bio. You can go there and learn how to do all this stuff for free. I have put a whole bunch of training videos in there on how to do this, so definitely go check that out. All right. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. I'm just sitting here watching this market, and we will see how it goes. These are just my three favorite that I like to trade every single day, which is EUR USD, Bitcoin, and XAU USD. Hey, David Andrews, what is going on? Welcome to my live. If you guys could too, please hit that like button. I do appreciate that. It helps out my algorithm with TikTok as well. Hey James, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Justin, Caden, what's up? So we're in trades now. We're in profit with EUR USD, BTC USD, and XAU USD. We have EUR USD in long position, gold in long position, and Bitcoin in a short position. Just looking for $50 trades on each one. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up. The name of the broker is TradeXN. It's in the link in my bio. You can check it out there. Again, no trading fees and low spreads. We have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices, so a lot you can trade from. If you are in the United States, then you have to use a VPN. This is an offshore broker. The VPN is free. I use Proton VPN. You can check that in the link in my bio as well. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything. If you're using Proton VPN, make sure you use Netherlands or Japan, as those are free to use. Anything outside of that will cost you a monthly fee. Hey, True Cut, what is going on? Any re-entries have I added to my position? No, I haven't added to my position. I'm just writing these out. Like I said, I put in it's a $50 trade. I always put that stop loss and take profit in place, and I just let it do its thing. So you always want to give the market enough room to breathe, but always be able to make that informed decision. Again, we use the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars, but you also want to pull back as well so that you can see everything. Like if I pulled back here on gold on my 5-minute time frame, we were uptrending, had a pullback, right, back down to here, bounced off, and so now we're heading back up again, and that's why I bought in. So you're looking at the overall too, not just right up close, right? You always got to step back. All right, so Bitcoin, BTC USD, we just hit another $50 profit right there in front of you guys. Like I said, it trades for you automatically. It sells your position. I didn't have to do anything. It did it for me. And so now we still have EUR USD and gold rolling right now, both in profit. We're up $5 on that. Well, again, each one is worth $50, so we're looking for those $50 trades. It's not super complicated. Just using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here when we get into that entry. So again, if you guys have any questions, please hit the link in my bio. Check that out. Go to the Discord. Join that, which is free too. It's like 80. I have 82 members right now. Looking to get to 100 this year. It's just a personal goal of mine. It doesn't mean anything else. I would just love to have 100 members in my Discord. So again, it's a great place to talk about trade, stocks, forex, all that kind of stuff, and learn from each other. You know, that's the best part. This is the information age, and the more you can learn, the better, especially for free. So, all right. What are we up to today? So we're up $80 today. Not too bad. Last 7 days of 1,000. Last 30 days, 2,100. And yeah, so we're definitely doing really well. Elian, what is going on? Welcome to my live. If you guys could hit that like button, I would appreciate it. It does help out my algorithm. Keeps TikTok going for me. So that is all I really do ask when you're on my lives. All right, let's see. So we're in profit, like I said, on gold and EUR USD in a long position here. John Flora, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Hoping we can catch one more of these trades. Again, we'll see how it goes. Hey, Skyward, what's going on? We just got out of 2 trades just a minute ago. We were trading Bitcoin. It was on both profits. So it got a long position and a short position out of those. So it wasn't too bad. That's really the benefit of being on these 5-minute time frames, just catching these shorter positions. So we had Bitcoin really had that drop, came all the way back down into like 40,000. So it was a pretty crazy drop today. So there definitely was room there to catch a long position, which I did, and I caught a short position on the way down. As you can see though, with gold right now, it's barely moving. But we are in a long position right now. We are in profit, but again, we'll see how that plays out. I'll probably be on here for about another 10 minutes or so. I'm going to jump off. I cannot seem to shake this being tired, so I may need to rest for a little bit, but I might be back on again later on tonight. I was on earlier this morning. We've already made a couple of good trades today, so again, if you guys want to learn more, definitely give me a follow. Join that Discord link in my bio. Again, I'm trading on TradeXN. It's the name of the broker. No futures, no options. This is derivative trading. So you're able to make money going up, and you're able to make more money going down against crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So there's a lot to trade from. All right. Let's see. So that's gold, EUR, USD. Yeah. So as you can see here again with the PSAR, the RSI. It's above the 50. The PSAR is on bottom, right? It's been moving up. We're also above the 20 SMA here, and it's heading on up. Again, on the 5-minute time frame here, trying to take profit at 1.0900. That is where some of the other support line is. So we'll see if we get to that position. If we go to like the 15-minute here, you can see back here we also have a support line right here, so it's trying to get to this position again. So it's definitely a good support line to be heading to. We will see if we end up making that today. Oh man. So it is also really important to know that when you are trading, if you really want to make some money doing this full time, it takes like $10,000 to $50,000 if you're using a risk management strategy to protect your account so you don't blow and lose all that money you've worked so hard for. Again, we're only trading with 1% of our account, using stop loss and take profit. So it's all about protecting that capital at the end of the day. That's exactly what we're doing here, just doing $50 to $100 trades every trade. All right. It has definitely gotten quiet. It must be because it's lunchtime, for sure. All right. All right, BTC, yeah, it's still moving up here. Looks like it had a pullback. EUR USD is moving up. Looks like gold is struggling here at this line, as this is well, we're above that support line. Let's go farther back, maybe in the 1 hour. Yeah, so this is a major support line here for gold, so it very well may not go up. It's got pushed back on the 1 hour with the PSAR on top, saying that they're heading down, so we're getting resistance because of that. So that may not end up going anywhere. All right, let's see. Hey, Kelly, what is going on? Just join Discord. When's the next time you will be on to show us how to get set up? Hey Kelly, so here, let me go over there. I can show you where you need to actually go on the Discord. Okay. So if you go to one, I have trading tips. If you go into the Discord, go to trading tips, and I have a whole bunch of information that you can read over, right? How to set everything up that way as well for strategies. But then you can also go to my training videos, okay? Training videos. And you'll see, oops, sorry about that. You'll see all of the videos that I made. How to install TradeXN, how to withdraw, how to put money on it, how to set up the charts, how to add stop losses, take profits, using the range bars, doing the reversals and pullbacks using them, how to read the indicators, and then the range bar charts as well. All that is in the videos, okay? So you can go there and watch those. All right. Again, thank you very much for joining. Hey Zeus, what's going on, man? Welcome to my live, buddy. We rich now. Yeah, I wish we were rich now. One day at a time, sir. One day at a time. Hey, sign up for Discord. Let's go, people. All about Discord, people. Go, go, go. Hey, Zeus, you have to sign up soon. We're at like 82 members, and you're going to be number 100, you say, right? So, time's coming, buddy. I want to see you in that Discord. All right. So we are in a trade right now with EURUSD. Just look for a 50-point trade. Again, we'll see how that plays out. AGP, what's going on? Welcome to my live fishing something or other. He's left. All right. So we're in profit overall right now. EURUSD and in a trade with gold, both in long positions. So gold right now, we are still just we started trending sideways. So the PSA are on the bottom, but we lost volume, so it's not really moving. Now we'll hit the 50 line here on the RSI, so it's sitting right in the middle. It's just not going anywhere. That does happen, but that's why we have that stop loss and take profit in place. And then for EURUSD, we are moving on up here, and we'll see if we end up making our profit. Again, just look for a 50-point trade. Hey, Jax or JX, what's going on? I probably won't be 100. I'm getting itchy fingers, so just go ahead, but I will wait. Since you broke the 80. Well, you can join whenever you want. There's no one telling you can't wait. All right, what's going on here? Let's see. I'm going to check some out. Ethereum. So Ethereum decided to have a big candle here, like I'm always talking about. You get these big breakouts. If you don't have those stop losses and take profit, it could have gone the other way and totally knocked you out. So that's why having those stop losses and take profits are super, super important. It looks like it is pushing back right around that, what was that, 24.85 line. All right, but the PSAR, on that one, PSAR on the bottom is, but it's already been trending so long that I would never get into that. You're waiting for these reversals, right, in breakouts. So this was sideways trends. You'd want to catch this one and would have waited for it to break the support about 24.75, and then would have rolled that down in that long position. You know, it did the same thing here. It's kind of trending, and then it took off. So that's kind of what we're looking for as well when we're using the range bars, PSAR, and the RSI. All right, let's see. As you know, too, they're hey Zeus, yeah, man, I'm off today. But I got up early. I went to sleep way too early last night. Popped awake at like 5 o'clock in the morning. Got a couple of pre-market trades in, and they took a break and then came back on. So I made another 2 trades just a little while ago. So you did miss those, but I did catch 2. What have I done today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades the last 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 good trades, 2 losses. But we are up $80 profit today, so yeah, not too bad. Hey, thank you guys very much for the likes. Do appreciate that. All right, so we're down a little bit on gold and we're up on EURUSD. So we'll see how those two play out. Again, sometimes it's just a waiting game, especially if we lose volume. It is around lunchtime, so stock market secrets they hide from you. Jeez, that's a long name.
Trade down now. ETH USD.
Trade down now on ETH USD, so it's having that pullback after that spike that it just had. Red Bull 13, what's going on? Welcome to my live. What time is it anyway? 12:30. All right. Trade up now on BTC USD. Bitcoin's been crazy today. It is definitely taken back off from that long drop that it had. You see it's continuing down, still in that. It's getting pushed back now after dropping all that way on the 4 hour. So that was definitely, let's see, 400, 800, that's 100 points. 910, so it's done a couple hundred points today. I mean, it's definitely been moving, right? 4, 6, that's 200, 800, that's 400, 800, 1,000, it's like 1,000 points today. My gosh, that's craziness. Craziness. All right, let's see. Jesus, next week I'll probably go MIA. Unfortunately, bad stuff, so I have to go to California. That's a bummer. I am sorry to hear that. Now you could always join the Discord early. That way you can catch stuff if you want in the Discord, so you don't miss anything if you want. But I should definitely be here for you when you come back. Hopefully things will be better for you. Bad news is never any good, so that's why I like having the Discord. It's kind of like a support system, you know, when people aren't doing well, they ain't feeling well, you know, they have things to talk about. Maybe they're doing bad in their trades, whatever, and they just want someone to kind of talk about it. Well, you can definitely always do that and more in the Discord. So anyway, yeah, hopefully all will be well for you. All right. Let's see. So it looks like EURUSD right now are both kind of trending back and forth. Not really going anywhere. See what ends up playing out with those. I was going to jump off at 12:30, so I'm going to hop off again. Might be on again tonight. We will see. I'll be on again tomorrow morning. Trying to catch some lives. It'll be the weekend, so we'll be trading BTC USD. Maybe we'll catch some Ethereum in there. But y'all can definitely check out the link in my bio. Again, we're trading TradeXN. No futures, no options, just derivative tradings. They have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. No trading fees and low spreads. Again, that's why I use them. Again, it's in the link in my bio, and then we're using the range bars here as well. They are free to use. Okay, they're just streaming off my service. You go to the link in my bio and get them there, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and get them there as well. You don't have to download anything. It just takes your email to sign up. So definitely check that out. Again, they only move when the market moves, so they're only moving off points. They don't move off time. It's windy out. All right, you guys. Definitely. And you are welcome, Jesus. I will see you guys soon. Y'all have a great day.